Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a product review on a Smartro cooking thermometer. This was sent to me from the good people from Smartro to give it a try. You can use this for in your oven, your grill, stovetop, smoker, whatever you're cooking foods in that you need to know the internal temperature, you can use this. Now let me read some of the specifications. The probe range in temperatures from Fahrenheit, it reads from 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees. Now I don't know who cooks their food that high, but if you need to, this will cover it for you. And in Celsius, that's minus 50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Alright, now I'm not going to go over the measurements of it. I'm going to show it to you here, guys. And it has a countdown settable timer from 99 minutes to 59 seconds. Okay, now guys, you get your instructions, extended warranty information. And this has dual probes, guys. These are the probes. Let me pull this out quick. And it's well packaged, guys. You have your velour packing with the foam. And this seems like it's high-end quality. It doesn't seem like it's garbage. And this sells for just under $25 on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description bar so you guys can check it out if you're interested. And so far, that's a really nice, sturdy looking unit. Now, it takes two AAA batteries that it doesn't come with, which I have. I'm going to put them in there. So if you order one, guys, make sure that you have some AAA batteries on hand. And I have my oven on, guys, because we're going to be roasting some chickens in there. It's kind of hot here. Now on the side, for your probes, you have Fahrenheit and Celsius. We're doing this on Fahrenheit since I live in the United States. And I believe these are magnets. Yeah, they're magnets, so that sticks to really hard to metal surfaces. So let's say you're doing something in the oven, you want to put that on your oven door, it'll stick there just nice for you. Now let me turn this on. The power's in the back. You have off, timer, and cook. Now what the timer is, let's say you're baking a cake and it has to go for 35 minutes. You can use this for a kitchen timer in addition to as a digital thermometer. Now we're going to go to cook. Now you see, guys, this has a really nice display. You want to select your meat. It has well, medium, rare, burger, pork, chicken. Then down here you have your set time, and then you have, that's for the one probe, and the cooking temperature, and your set time for the second probe. Minutes and second adjustment, and it's to switch between your probes. So we're gonna, let me get the chickens out, get them ready to go, then we'll plug this in and we'll set this up, guys. Alright guys, now that I have my chickens all ready, I have roughly 2 6-pound chickens here. I'm cooking them in my Copper Chef Wonder Cooker. I put a cup of water in the bottom, sprayed some cooking spray, and I'm going to use some poultry seasoning. I'm going to take one of my probes, and they're pretty long. I'd say that cord's probably about 2.5 foot, more than long enough, 3 foot. I'm sticking it into the breast of the chicken. Now I'm going to turn this on, guys, to the cook setting. Now I'm going to select the meat that we're going to cook. We're going to go for chicken. Now it's set at 180. I don't want my chicken to be that high. Let's see if I can set it to 165. Okay, it's giving us 180. Now I'm not going to let my chicken cook that hot. 165 is fine. Now right now it's saying that the chicken's 37 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to let this go in the oven until it hits 165. I'm assuming it's going to take about an hour for these two chickens at 350. But I'll keep an eye on the thermometer, and we'll see how it goes from there, guys. So I'm just going to put it here on the stove, and I'm going to load these guys in the oven, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my chickens are done. They actually took about an hour and a half because I had 2 chickens in there rather than 1. But you could see, I don't know if you can see that, my time, thought maybe you could touch this and light it up. There it is. My temperature is at 166. 165 is safe for poultry, so we're good to go. Let me get them out of here. We'll slice them up, and we'll see what we got. Alright guys, I made some mashed potatoes and chicken gravy to go with this, and some corn. Now you can see how nice and juicy and tender my chicken is. That's just really juicy, moist, delicious. Alright, there you have it. Product review on Smartro digital thermometer. Give it a try. Check it out, and thanks for watching.